Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to replace a headliner on a X5. It's a 2009, but they're all similar, so the years till 13. I don't know the newer ones, but I would think it's same shit. So anyway, I got this at the junkyard from M Sport or M package, whatever, with the black headliner and the sunroof. So that's why I'm going to replace the mine, because see, it's hanging. So in order to get new headliner and do all that work, I got lucky and found it at the junkyard for $30, the whole thing. It takes some time to replace it, but it's nothing too complicated. Just gotta be patient, take your time to pull this apart and then put the new one in. The driver's side is done, so now I'm doing the passenger side. Pretty much this the tools you're going to need: some Torx, 2 different Torx, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm, and a pry tool. Torx that you're going to need is T20 and let me see, what's this, T15. Okay, so in order to pull this out, because this sits like that, so you're going to put your fingers here and you're going to pull it towards back and then pull it down. You're going to unplug all these. So this one comes with the headliner, so don't worry about this. These, they're gonna stay. So now you gotta pop this out, and then you have a T20 there, and then you pull this just a little bit out of the way, and then you're going to pop this off like this. Super easy. You have 3 Phillips here, and then you pop this off just like that, and you have one there. This you don't have to worry about. Then these, obviously, you're going to pop right here and right here. That's going to be T20. So I'm going to pull this off, and then I'll get back to you guys because my battery is about to die on the camera. So now move your seats, the front seats, forward. You will have pop this off. Here you will have 3 Phillips screwdriver, so make sure you take those out. Then go up front. Here, get a pry tool, pry this all the way up to here, and then the top you will just pull it down because it locks in here, as you can see. So don't try to yank it out because you're gonna break it. So I did both sides already, so that's it. You can just leave it hanging here. Now what you need to do is get these back seats down and then lower these, so you'll need room for the headliner. So now back part is you're only going to take these handles off on each side, and then pop this. Should just pop out. So just pop it like that. Set it somewhere. And then then you'll have one here. You'll have to take this out and then take the screw out, and there's one here. So I'm going to do that on both sides, and then what you need to do is just pry this out, this part, the back part, this, and then we'll have to take these seals all around the doors, just like the top part on each door. We'll pull it down. So now I'm going to pop this out like so. And then you gotta Torx. You gotta unscrew here. Like that. Okay, then you get this one. There you go. Just set it down. Now you need to pop these from top like that, and then this one too, and then just like that. We're going to do other side. Now what you need to do is pop these. So I think these just pop out like that. There you go. So you have 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Take this out. Now you do this side. Now we got pretty much everything out. So now what you need to do is pull this seal off, just enough to get this down, and then just set it up there. And then you have a, see right there, get that, just get a long screwdriver, pry that out. I mean, to me it don't matter, or do that and see. So now it don't matter if I ruined this one, because this one is coming out anyway. But like I said, just take the top part like that, just pull it down. All right guys, so you're gonna push forward for the bottom part to go all the way forward. Then you're gonna take this motor out that goes right there, and then what you're going to do is turn the key on and push for sunroof to go all the way back. And then what you can do is you gotta take these out, these 3 on the other side, and you'll be able to take this out. All right guys, so in case you have this fall off, this is that goes in here. Okay, so this goes on the top part of the sunroof cover, whatever you want to call it. This is the bottom part, so this goes on the bottom in this rail, as you can see right there. So what you need to do is get a screwdriver and pop this out slowly. Don't break it. Okay. Okay. So it goes right there. Just like that. Okay. Now this part, as you can see, just like that, you're gonna pull it down and it goes right there, and then the other one goes obviously right here. So what I'm going to do is put the top one in and then push this forward, and the back one I'll push it from here, the doors back, and pop this in. So I wish I could show you, but it's kind of hard to hold because I need both hands. So I can try like this. So right there. Okay, just a sec. Okay, that's it. So you kind of push this hard, and then you push this one in. So push this doors forward and you get it in, but first get the top one in, and that's it. Now you can pop this back in with your screwdriver, just like this, like that. There you go. We can put this back. The key on. Alright guys, so when you decide to, when you start putting the new one back in, what you need to do is obviously lower these seats as much as you can. Drop those all the way down, kind of on an angle, go all the way, and you start from here. Make sure you pop it in here, then you put there's two pins that those plastic push-ins that you're gonna put in here. Pop this in and then go and do the back, and once you do that, then you slowly start. So these seals, you'll have to pull them all the way down so you can put this part. So obviously this tucks in here, and then it pops it in. So and then once you do that, do this obviously, and do the back one, and then you can put the seals back in. So and then after that you can put those, or you can put them now, whatever you want to do. But yeah, so that's about it. As you can see, I'm still working on it, but I'm almost done with it. Looks good though. So it's all set. As you can see, everything works. That's all. As you can see, all the seals are back in. Everything is back in, so all set.